Cameron, please be careful with your leg.
I'm fine, okay? I'm fine. Please just go to Franco, okay? I'll look for Danny and Dev.
Okay, I can't find Jason either.
I'll find Jason too, okay? Please just go to Franco.
Okay.
It's fine.
Franco.
Dev? Oh, Dev. Hey. God. Dev. Hey, buddy. Wake up. Hey. Hey. Dev, come on. Wake up, bud. Hey.
It's all right. It's okay. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna make it okay. You're gonna be okay.
What? Oh, where is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Oh, where is it? Oh my God. Oh my God.
I've had my eyes on Cyrus for a while. I just don't understand why he'd be interested in a crime that you committed as a minor.
Well, it's possible that he was looking for leverage to blackmail me with, or, I don't know, embarrass me, but the thing about that is I haven't heard a word from him.
This guy, David Hamilton, you think Cyrus knew?
Maybe, but it's so many years ago. Why drag it up now?
Because you're the mayor. Cyrus likes to use people of power for his own means.
I thought that too at the beginning, but it feels like more than that to me. I mean, I think his interest in me goes beyond leverage and blackmail. Sorry. PCPD, I gotta take it. Hello?
Carly?
Let me help you. For all of those times that you helped me.
Guys, I'm just drinking a bit right now. You're acting like this is the end of the world. Okay, who's next? Step right up. Anyone else want to share their heartwarming stories of love for me?
Mom, why are you acting this way?
Why are you all acting this way? Why can't you just let me have a few cocktails? You're the ones who are turning your back on me.
Sorry. I'll turn my phone off. Oh my God, do you have the Village Square app too?
Yeah, I'm reading exactly what you're reading.
What is it? What's happening?
Well, there's an emergency at the floating rib. It's a possible explosion.
Jason and Danny are there. I have to go.
I'll go too.
No, I don't want you there.
Okay, then I'll babysit Scout.
No, Mom, I don't want you anywhere near my kids. Will you babysit,
Yeah,
please?
of course. We're gonna take my car because you're in no condition to drive.
Thank you.
Sam didn't mean what she said. Mom, she's just worried about Jason and Danny.
She meant exactly what she said. She doesn't trust me.
And doesn't that tell you everything you need to know about how your drinking is affecting your family?